Sawadee-ka. Hi everyone. Today let's make stir-fry broccoli with prawns. This is healthy and delicious. I really like the sweet prawns with the crunchy broccoli. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have broccoli, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, cooking oil, chicken stock powder. This is optional. Roughly chopped garlic and prawns, deshell and devein. First and foremost, we're going to add in vegetable oil into the pan. Add in garlic and sauté them on medium heat. Just stir them, toss them around, stir fry them until they become fragrant. And then we add in the prawns. Prawns cook really fast, so just when they turn slightly red, you can add in your seasoning ingredients. Combine well, and then you can add in your broccoli. If it's looking dry, add in some hot water. Give this a taste test, adjust accordingly, and it's ready to be served. Broccoli and prawns pair with a bowl of white rice. Heavenly, so make sure to give this healthy recipe a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.